district official, assistant governors, presidents, secretaries, Rotarians, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all for World Polio Day observed worldwide on the 24th of October and awareness of the significance of polio vaccination to protect every child from this devastating disease. If at all polio was eradicated from India, it is none other than the Rotary International and the WHO has acknowledged, yes, need a better clap, that India is polio free. Still there are few cases. The Rotary International has taken a pledge that no child in the world should be affected by polio. Until then, we Rotarians will be working for it. Hence, this End Polio Now campaign will continue. I welcome you all once again for this mighty campaign. Thank you.
District officials, presidents from various clubs, Rotarians. This is the best way we can celebrate that India is polio free. And we would like to make the whole world polio free. That is why on the backdrop you see, thank you Rotary for making India polio free since 2014. It is no mean an achievement for a country with a population of 140 crores to manage this mammoth task of making India polio free. Among all the projects of Rotary, End Polio is the most important and the pride of Rotary. Launched in 1985, the world had seen 350,000 polio cases in 125 countries happening each year. Friends, polio is a dreaded disease. When it comes to a child, there is no cure for it. It is only matter of time. And polio is contagious. It can travel from one child to another child. It is for this reason Rotary has taken it upon its mission to ensure a deep surveillance. Friends, anywhere in the world, if a polio case happens, the Rotarians will rush to that point, first to find out why it happened, what are the causes, how it is not to spread from there. So the surveillance what the Rotarians are doing worldwide at grassroots level is phenomenal. And we are trying to reach every child despite the terrain. Only two countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan, have cases of polio, very few of them. And all-out effort, we have been supported by WHO, UNICEF and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in our mission to end this dreaded disease. And the day we make the world polio free, it will be a history, and Rotarians will always be remembered for their unceased efforts to make this disease removed from the face of the earth. Friends, today, the World Polio Day, we are remembering, but it is not a celebration, it is a commitment, it is a drive that we should continue this. There is no room for complacency. We have to continue pursue till the last child is polio free. So, it is the call of the RI President, it is the call of the trustee that every country, every Rotary club should maintain the vigil and do sensitizing to the people. Even countries which are polio free, the immunization is very important. So our drive to end polio should continue till we remove it from the face of the world. I thank all the Rotarians who have assembled here today for making this a big function and to sensitize all the people who are coming to this metro station that Rotary is there, Rotary will do everything to remove this disease from the face of the world. Of course, with the support of all the partners, we will do everything that is possible. Today I am very proud. Many clubs have come forward with big donations towards this campaign. Friends, it is our program. Rotarians are proud to be part of this, removing this disease from the face of the earth. So, any small contributions should come forward, and every Rotarian in RI District 3234 will be contributing to the End Polio campaign. I thank Mr. Ashok Kumar for his gracious presence here. I thank IPDG, Sara for his presence here, and all the Rotarians, presidents, especially my assistant governors who have come in good strength. Thank you.
He been literally last 1.5 years planning for this. Great thought. But let me tell you, for the first time, I don't know how many of you must have heard in the FM. Where's Venkatesh? This is a guy who goes very silently. He doesn't like red, so he's in his own club t-shirt. And there's also the Rotary, not also, it is the Rotary's Foundation program. So you have the foundation chair, Puru here. So friends, it is not just one day you think polio is important for us. The problem is we ourselves don't know the great work we have done. The great work we have done to the entire world. Today, if you see these people, they know that we have a stage here, they know there are people singing, they know people are here with red, but they don't want to know who you are, but they just walk and go. If they are walking and going, it is because of you and me. If you see somebody running in some event, it is because of you and me, right? There are so many things which people will not know, because the human nature, we literally don't remember great things happening to us. But this polio has given Rotary what Rotary is today. You have to believe it. We have spent around $3 billion. $3 billion only for the drops, which are having two cases. One place is around 17 cases, and one place is started increasing, because again that is again a children there we know could be a superstar in the future. So we are fighting to do these drops. For this we need money, and if it is not ending there, that will spread and come back to your own country, to your own city. So this is the reason we are continuously fighting, and very, very important to continue to contribute. And at any day, any given point of time, it's like your birthday when you celebrate. For us, October 24th is a World Polio Day, because as a human, as a citizen, as a Rotarian, we had an opportunity to take care of our community and our fellow citizens. And thanks to Rotary,